True.
Light is essential for a plant to grow. Without light, a plant would not reproduce or produce food and building materials. So all plants would eventually die off if there was no light to use. Unfortunately, as humans, we will be also affected to the loss of plants. That will also lead to our deaths. So light can be described as life. It's light is just like water. Without water, we wouldn't live. Without light, we wouldn't be here. This experiment aims to discover the different effects on wavelengths that may contribute to the plant's growth rate. The variables involved the variables that are involved are sunlight, weather, temperature, humidity, and types of container in soil. The soil used is loam soil, which is a very nutritious and healthy soil. Since it had been raining recently, there had been less sunlight. The growth of the plants were greatly affected due to that lack of sunlight, especially the ones with cellophane covers. There are three setups in this experiment. The two had both red and blue cellophane covers, while one did not have no cover at all. The result was the mango seeds planted in the container with red and blue died due to lack of sunlight and only left and a heavy downpour of rain. And only left during late afternoons,
which we all experienced.
which only left one alive, while the one that didn't have any cellophane cover at all had only one that lived. Blue and red light, which plants absorb, may have the greatest effect on plants' growth. Blue light because blue light causes vegetative growth or leaf growth in plants, where red light combined with blue light causes flowering in plants. It really depends. But some plants grow faster on sunlight because it's lighter than the artificial light. Different plants have different light requirements. Some plants need full exposure to the sun to thrive, to grow, while others need very little light and can do well in artificial light, which is not the real light, which lies especially in indoor planting. Which light source is better for the plant? Plants that grow indoors may have little or no access to natural light. For indoor growing, many plant owners use artificial lights to help the plant receive the nutrients that it needs to grow. Plants need light to survive. The amount of light needed and the quality depends on the plant. For some, artificial light may be a good alternative for sunlight, but numerous scientific experiments done every year say that plants don't thrive in artificial light.
Significance. What's the significance?
The significance of this experiment is to show people that
especially those owning
those owning the greenhouses will be able to nurture indoor plants. What kind of light will be beneficial for the survival of indoor plants? Thank you so much for this great ERD experiment.